We're joined by our legal analyst. Former Connecticut State Prosecutor Ryan McGuigan is here to take a look at what's happening in this courtroom. Thank you for being here. We appreciate it.
Thanks for having me.
You're not surprised this is taking this long?
I'm a little surprised it's taken this long.
Yeah.
This is kind of drawn out. However, there are a number of presentations that were made by the defense and a lot of testimony from witnesses, and that's very important for Mr. Diddy's sentencing. What they're trying to do is that the defense is trying to establish that Mr. Combs didn't coerce anybody across state lines, and he didn't use any violence. That he doesn't have a significant leadership role. So what they're trying to do is by having all of these witnesses testify at his sentencing is to keep the government from arguing or successfully arguing that there should be enhancements to the sentence that should be around like 21 to 27 months.
This is, of course, a lesser charge than he was first facing. The trafficking charge that was a bigger deal in the scheme of things. I'm assuming they talk about that today, but when you bring your kids into the courtroom and your kids talk to the judge and you play these videos about him being a father and a family man, does that have an impact on the judge? Can that sway a judge one way or the other, do you think?
Yeah, it can. It's just as effective as the government coming in and saying you're the exact opposite of that you're not a family man, that you're not a good person. And that the light that the defense is trying to paint you under isn't the truth, and that the events of the totality of the circumstances are more reflective of the true character of the defendant.
One hint we got out of the courtroom today, the judge saying he does not believe Combs has taken full responsibility. Is that a clue? Does that, I mean, from a layperson, it looks like it could mean more of a sentence. There's a chance he could walk out of here today, right?
Well, there's a very slim chance that happens, and it's because he did have a trial. So what the judge is talking about is that there's no acceptance of responsibility because he didn't come early to face the charges and say, yeah, mea culpa, I did do that. You get in federal practice, you get a reduction in your sentence immediately if you have a timely plea and you accept responsibility, which is basically, I'm not going to force the government and the victims to testify at a trial and have the government go through that rigmarole. So you're given credit for that in federal court automatically, pursuant to the guidelines.
Yeah, listen, we'll be watching when we get a verdict. Ryan McGuigan, former state prosecutor here in Connecticut, appreciate your time and insight.
Thank you.
All right.